There is nothing more comforting than a bowl of good egg drop soup. It seems to warm the toes and the soul. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a classic Chinese egg drop soup. Come join me. Chinese egg drop soup is so easy to make, and you can have it ready in 5 to 10 minutes. I'm using 4 cups of chicken broth. This is homemade, but if you're using a boxed or canned chicken broth or stock, just make sure that you choose a low sodium. I have my heat on medium-high and I'm bringing this up to a boil. I'm also adding in some light soy sauce, and this will add some flavor and a little saltiness. Also adding in a little black pepper. You can also use white pepper for a little more heat, giving it a good stir. Once up to a boil, I'm adding in a slurry of cornstarch and water, and this will slightly thicken the broth. I'm using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I don't like my egg drop soup real thick. Some like the soup a thicker consistency, so you can adjust the cornstarch slurry to your liking. Turning my heat down to a simmer. Now is the time to add the star of the show, the egg. This is a beaten jumbo egg, but you can add 2 small or medium eggs. I'm stirring the broth and at the same time slowly pouring in my egg. You will see the small strands start to form. It's like magic. Finally, in goes some chopped white and greens of garden onions and a dash of sesame oil. Give it a good stir and it's ready to eat. I think the sesame oil gives it a classic bright flavor. Initially, when bringing the broth up to a boil, you could add in a slice or 2 of fresh ginger. That is the great part of making this classic Chinese egg drop soup at home. You can make it the way you like it. Also, if you have a chance, please check out my Chinese hot and sour soup video recipe, just like at the Chinese restaurant. This egg drop soup is so soothing and easy to make. Give it a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!